I never graduated from high school. Politics they're not like they used to be. Democrat, Republican, the patriarchy.
It does not make sense. I'll tell you what does make sense. Driving a Ford F-150.
Efficiency.
I think it's the choice that you need to make. I know it's a lot with your own car, payments. Ford F-150 just cost $5 million. So, ow, my leg.
% of Americans are overweight.
I didn't know if you knew this, but I'm not one of them. I've met my match, you know. Kicking things around, it's a lot. Today I'm gonna tell you how, teach you how, show you how to properly kick a water heater. If I don't make this, I will make it. Just like taking down your first deer, catching your first fish. Piece of cake. Only 5% of humans on Earth can do this. And apparently I'm one of them. I didn't think I was. I know y'all aren't. I'm sure a lot of y'all are concerned about my well-being. But this content, it's for you. Alright? I'm gonna put myself through it. For y'all's education, I'm teaching valuable material here. I'm one of the only people who are willing to put myself on the line for y'all. I hope y'all understand. I know probably a lot of y'all are like, why in the world did he just do that? I don't do it all for no reason. Crap. I really think y'all should embrace meaning of what it is to be a man. You can't. That sucks to be you. I expect y'all to be grateful. If you don't like what I'm saying, man, don't come back. This place, these videos, these are for true men. Hear that? That's the sound of a man's vehicle. I got broken bones. I can feel a collapsed lung in my chest. Come down to Alabama. Be a true man.
I have no clue what I'm doing.
I try and climb trees on the daily. That's gonna wrap it up. I hope you learned a little something. If you didn't, then I'm disappointing you. I'll see y'all next time. Except there won't be a next time, huh? You thought there would.